Welcome to Travels with the Russells. We invite you to join us on our adventures as we explore different countries, their cultures, sites, and significant historic and religious monuments.
Hello and welcome to Travel with the Russells. This afternoon we're going for a nice stroll along Malaga's beachfront, Playa La Malagueta, in the Costa del Sol here in Spain. So come and join us. As you can see, the beach is very busy. Time of year, early May. Just gone 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, very busy. But still it's a huge beach, very clean. No seaweed or anything like that. Shall be leaving Malaga shortly. Had a fantastic time here. The city itself is lovely. The old part is beautiful. The new part is ultra modern. The shopping is fantastic. Beaches are lovely. Yeah, kind of got a bit of everything that you might want. Beach barbecue for the old sardines. Barbecuing the old sardines on the beach here. Beautiful. Fantastic. Octopus. So as general with the Spanish resorts, fabulous clean beaches, promenades to walk up and down, plenty of bins, facilities for the disabled. Yep. Thought I'd drop something with a Pringles lid. Beautiful weather. It's about 24 degrees. A bit more in the sun. Everywhere busy. As you can tell, these are mainly locals. At the moment, I don't think the Brits are back in any large numbers. You do hear the odd English spoken, but it's mainly Spanish at the moment, with the occasional German and the even more occasional British or American. Very similar walk will be had at the Benidorm at the front there. Reminds me a lot of that, except the lack of noisy bars, which you will find in Benidorm. There are bars here, but they're mostly restaurants. Restaurant bars. As I say, early May 2020. The place is kind of buzzing. We leave Spain this evening and we'll be returning back to the UK. Signs up for COVID restrictions. Was it? As you can see, some people are still wearing masks, but the majority of people not anymore. One or two of the shops still requiring face coverings, but the restaurants, the bars, and the majority of shops not bothered. So hopefully we've kind of seen the back of this pandemic, that the vaccines have worked, done their intended job, and we'll take it as it comes with boosters or whatever else that needs to be done. The world's got to return to some kind of normality, and it's nice to see that we're learning to kind of live with COVID. Sign on the beach up here. Malaga Beach. Don't know if that means Malaga Beach. Don't know, my Spanish is terrible. beach is on the new side, so generally new buildings, skyscrapers, which fan of the views but not fan of the buildings. Okay, well, yeah. Nice cosmopolitan feel to the place. Highly recommended. Can you see? Oh, here comes Julie. Electric scooters all over. So, anyway, I'm going to say goodbye from Travels with the Russells here in Malaga. If you've enjoyed this video, please like. Oh, you know the score. Any comments, please leave them. Try and answer them if we can. And until the next time, from me, Nigel.
And me, Julie. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.